Today is February 18th, 2020. It is 7:55 a.m. Mountain Time. This picture is a picture of a 3-inch 90-degree elbow standard schedule 40 with 2 flanges and a lateral outlet. This is done with TIG welding. This was pretty much towards the end of my career of pipeline welding. Really did enjoy pipeline welding, and after I was done pipeline welding, this is the metal art that I made for the Texas Renaissance Festival. You can see it in Todd Mission, Texas. What I did was I took stock mechanical square tubing and flat bar and pre-casted cast iron fittings and added gold leaf to the fittings for the 2013 year of the Midas touch. So to go from pipeline welding was pretty cool, and have no knowledge on how to do gold leaf or how to even paint metal, but I sure did have the knowledge how to weld metal together, and I sure did enjoy doing this before I left Magnolia, Texas. This was the last thing I did in Magnolia, Texas, and I really enjoyed it. I would have loved to been able to continue doing metal art and pipeline welding, but my injuries to my left eye is a bit harsh, and a lot of injuries along the left side of the body made it nearly impossible to enjoy doing this for long-term hours. Enjoy.